For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
Hi everyone. So finally, as promised, I am live in this Twitter Blue Room, and as you can see, I've come here for the first time. I'm pretty excited. बहुत time बाद, in fact, Big Boss के बाद पहली बार I'm live with y'all. So how are you people? कैसा चल रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? How's everything? मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है इतने महीनों बाद लाइव आके लाइव चैट करके। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट ऑल यू वांट टू नो। आई नो एक हफ्ते से आई वाज जस्ट टेकिंग माय ओन टाइम। बहुत मुश्किल है 3.5 महीने घर में लॉक्ड अप रह के बाहर आके एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक न्यू फॉर मी। मैं अपने घर में आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी अजीब सा, एंड like sometimes I used to miss Big Boss's voice, sometimes I used to like see मेरा mic है या नहीं है, but a lot of things were happening, plus my family, so I took my own sweet time, and yes, now I'm back.
So Hina, this is your first Twitter live chat. What do you want to say to all your fans who supported you throughout?
मैं जितना कहूँ कम है, honestly, जितना भी कहूँ कम है। When I came out of the house, I realized how everything was, and I am so thankful to all of you. जिस तरह से आपने मुझे support किया है day in day out, अपने family members से, बाकी लोग सब expect करते हो, but आप लोग अपना काम छोड़कर, सब छोड़कर हमेशा आप लोगों ने मेरे लिए tweets किए, votes किए, मुझे इतना प्यार दिया, इतना support दिया, जितना भी thank you बोलूँ कम है, as I say always.
So you set an example with your friendship inside the Big Boss house with Priyank and Love. Are you still friends with them?
Yes, I am. Love पता नहीं कहाँ गायब हो गया। उसको 2 दिन से प्रियांक और मैं चेज कर रहे हैं, उसको पढ़ने वाली है अभी। And as far as Priyank is concerned, Priyank, yes, I am in touch with him every second day. हम फोन पे बात करते हैं। मैं ज्यादा बाहर गई नहीं, as I said, this is the first time coming live. So मैंने ज़्यादातर मैं बाहर गई नहीं। I spent time with my family, which was very important. पहली बार in my life I was away from my family for 3.5 months. So I needed to give them time. I did that, and I think I'm going to meet him most probably today. I am meeting Gucci Poo and Pri, and Ro and me. We are going to meet and have some quality time together after such a long time.
So your journey inside Khatro Ke Khiladi was very impressive. What do you have to say about that?
Khatro, yes, Khatro Ke Khiladi, मैंने भी expect नहीं किया था the kind of journey I had over there. I did not expect कि इतना आगे तक जाऊंगी, and I reached the finals, and the kind of stunts I've done in Khatro, I don't think कभी life में दोबारा I'll get the chance to do those stunts again. Yes, it's a learning, it's an experience. I think खतरों से ही जो भी सीख मिली, that is what I tried to do in Big Boss house, and जैसे भी tasks आते थे, जिस तरह के भी tasks आते थे, I was always ready for it. That is how I am in my real life too. So yeah, it was super fun.
A lot of people are commenting, Sher Khan, we love you. What do you have to say about this title that has been given to you?
I'm overwhelmed, honestly. जब पहली बार दिवाली पे वो मग आया था मेरे पास, उस पर लिखा था #SherKhan. In fact, in this blue room there's one hashtag, and I've clicked a picture with it. I'm going to send it to y'all. आप लोग देखेंगे, आप hashtag, then it's my picture. I am sitting next to hashtag. So it was a lovely experience, and #SherKhan, I honestly did not expect कि कहीं से आएगा, but that mug reached me, and then everyone used to say SherKhan, #SherKhan. And जब Big Boss ने मेरे journey में शेर खान बोला, तो that was like really nice. I felt really nice कि शेर अभी भी यही है, and शेर खान, he said, I really liked it. Thank you again giving me such a powerful name, Sher Khan.
Your poo is back, so what's your reaction on that?
बेचारा मेरा poo. Yes, poo is back. I was not expecting कि poo मेरे पास वापस आएगा. But I think वो डिस्ट्रॉय करने के बाद मैंने 50,000 टाइम्स हर कैमरा के सामने जाके बोला होगा, प्लीज उसे ड्राई क्लीनिंग भेज देना, प्लीज उसे वॉश कर लेना. सो आई केप्ट ऑन बेगिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरी कैमरा. सो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने सुन ली मेरी, और Then Ro got it and he got it dry cleaned, and I got my poo back. I am super happy about it. The poo is a little yellow, little blue, छोटे blue patches है पेट के, but nonetheless I got it back. I'm happy. I'm glad.
So everyone is complimenting on your song. So if you would like to sing
Few lines.
या मैंने बिग बॉस घर में बहुत सारे गाने गाए हैं, बट आपको ये नहीं पता कि हमें गाने गाने की बिल्कुल परमिशन नहीं थी बिग बॉस के घर में, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा गाने गाते थे हम, झगड़ा भी करते थे तो गाना गाते थे, तो आई कुड नॉट सिंग मच इन द हाउस, बट स्टिल थोड़ा बहुत मैंने गाया है. Which song should I sing? Alright, let me sing these two lines of बाहों में चले आ. बाहों में चले आ, हाँ हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा. Thank you.
So people would like to know your future projects. Do you want to share something?
Future projects. It's been a week. I'm out. There are a couple of things जो आई है मेरे पास. उनमें से I am really considering few. तो अभी तक सब बात ही चल रही है. It's at the very initial stage, and honestly, मैं हमेशा पहले थोड़ा सा break लेती हूँ. Whatever I did, whatever I started next. So I am going to take a break first. And then yes, eventually काम तो करना ही है. So I'll be back. There is a project which I have to start like in a few days, but I don't want to do that so early. I want to take a break. तो इसलिए बाकी आगे जो है वो आपको पता चल ही जाएगा sooner or later.
Do you miss the Big Boss house? Waking up?
Sometimes, yes, I do. Like as I said, when I'm in my room, I'm lying down on my bed. Suddenly ऐसा होता है, where am I? Okay, this is not the Big Boss house. So थोड़ा सा वैसा होता है अभी भी, कहीं बीच में झटका लगता है मुझे, but अच्छा लगता है. I'm back home, but sometimes you do miss Big Boss house.
Do you wake up with a morning song?
No, not really.
And a dance?
Because I wake up very late now. In Big Boss house, you have to wake up at 8 in the morning. And that's a rule, and after that this kukuduku thing starts happening. But nowadays मैं बहुत late उठती हूँ, and like my mom, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock she comes in my room, she's like, get up now, it's 5 o'clock. So just imagine मैं कितना सोती हूँ. So yes, I am having all the good time.
Next question is by Manisha. She is asking, do you know how much we love your friendship with Love? We miss Love and Hina's friendship.
Oh.
Lavina hashtag.
Hi Manisha, I miss Love. I also miss him so much. I wish he's back. I mean, I want him to come back to Mumbai. Basically, he's from Delhi. He's also spending time with his family. But me and Pri, we both want him to come here so that we can spend some good time here. घर में तो हम all the time एक साथ होते थे, तो मुझे उससे थप्पड़ मारने का भी बहुत मन करता. मैं उससे बहुत छेड़ती थी और वो बहुत इरिटेट होता था. So I'm missing all that masti I used to do with both of them. So yes, they are my like real buddies now.
आप सब ट्रिप पे कब जा रहे हो?
ट्रिप पे I think everyone, as I said, is very busy with their families. और जैसे कि मैंने कहा, मैं खुद आज एक हफ्ते बाद बाहर आई हूँ और आप लोगों से चैट कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे भी I also took my own time and I might take even more आज, but I thought that let me at least interact a bit with you. तो जैसे जैसे सबका लाइफ वापस रूटीन में नॉर्मल होएगा, we'll definitely plan a short trip at least so that we all can go out and have fun. सबका there are many people, सबका किसी का कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी कहीं कोई बिजी है, कोई कहीं बाहर जा रहा है, किसी का कोई वर्क कमिटमेंट है, तो बहुत मुश्किल है सबको एक साथ जोड़ के ट्रिप पे लेके जाना, but we'll make sure it happens.
One thing you are missing really about Big Boss?
One thing I am really missing about Big Boss house is, I think Big Boss की आवाज, yes, Big Boss की आवाज, and I miss एक तो Big Boss की आवाज, and plus I miss रीडिंग दोज टास्क जो आते थे, टास्क फाइल्स, बहुत मजा आता था, इतनी एक्साइटमेंट होती थी, एंड स्पेशली बिग बॉस जिसे यूजुअली मैं, हितेन या फिर कोई और, विकास ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू रीड, तो हम बहुत एक्साइटेड होते थे कि अब हम सबको बताएंगे कि क्या होने वाला है, बिकॉज इतनी एक्साइटमेंट होती थी टास्क की।
Shweta is asking, the show was very biased. You were misjudged and cornered. It's so sad. You want to say anything about that?
The show was biased.
She's saying.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
And misjudged.
Not really. See, श्वेता, आपका एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, हर किसी का एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होता है. देखिए, सबने अपनी अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट दिया, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट मैटर्स इज कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी थी. If I look back and I think about my journey was superb. I have come out as even more stronger person. जो खतरों में I'm much more stronger than खतरों now. I've learned a lot from this house. So I would want to talk about my journey, and my journey has been really beautiful. And ultimately, it's not about winning or losing. It's about how you have done, how you performed in the show, what experience you've gained from that show. So that is what I'm going to take forward. And Shweta, Big Boss is over, and we all should get out of it now and move on in life. There are many more things, many good, great opportunities we can look forward.
A lot of people are asking about where is Ro.
Ro is right here in front of me, and he's looking at me right now. He's not leaving me alone for a second also, because मुझे बाहर आके पता चला कि it was pretty much a task for him also to handle things, and अभी फिलहाल वो कहीं पे भी मुझे अकेले नहीं जाने दे रहा है. He's with me right now as well, and he's looking at me.
So we know it's Ro's birthday next month. What
Yes.
are the big plans?
Ro's birthday is he's Saint Valentine, as you all know, and he's born on 14th Feb. So Valentine's Day तो फीका पड़ जाता है. Sad for me, because birthday takes over. So we have plans. I think work ही है honestly, and it's a work opportunity for both of us. So you all will see us doing something special. और birthday भी वहीं पे ही मनेगा. Of course it's not in India, but birthday भी वही होगा.
So how's your equation now with Vikas Gupta?
विकास से मैं अब मिलूंगी. आज, as I said, we've been planning to meet today, so I'm going to meet him today after Big Boss, and I'm sure it's going to be different. हमने हमेशा ये बात घर के अंदर की है कि बाहर भी maybe we'll be friends outside, and I'm sure we will be the kind of people we are. We are like-minded people, and I think Vikas is going to gel very well with Ro, because they both are very similar. तो फिर मैं तो कनेक्ट हो ही जाऊंगी. तो घर के अंदर we were like rivals, and we used to compete with each other and fight a lot with each other, but बाहर will definitely be friends, I'm sure, and that's the reason we are meeting together. He's called me 3-4 times कि कहाँ हो तुम, गायब, मिलो. So finally we are meeting.
So Lily is giving you a compliment. She is saying kudos to your parents for raising such a strong, independent woman who can hold her own and stay true.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. Yes, जैसे आपने मेरे बेड के पीछे भी देखा होगा, I always used to write "Daddy strong girl." So that's how you're right. That's how I've been raised. और जिस environment में मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ, so I am a strong girl, and thank you very much for this compliment.
So a question reads like your dancing skills have been amazing throughout the show. Are you planning to do Nach Paliye?
Have they? I think I'm a bad dancer. Really? I don't think so. In fact, बाहर आने के बाद किसी ने जो इस वक्त वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहा है, उसने मुझे कहा था कि आप ना जाके डांसिंग ट्रेनिंग ले लो. So I don't think I am a very good dancer. बस थोड़ा बहुत I can dance. But yes, Nach, now since Ro is a good dancer and Ro loves to dance, वैसे उसे पसंद नहीं है, but I think Nach, for him I can do Nach.
So Anuj is asking what you want to say about your relationship with Sapna and Ben.
Sapna and Ben. Ben is a sweetheart, yeah. She was a cutie pie. जब तक भी घर पर थी, she was a cutie pie. I mean, I missed her so much after she left the house. We all had a very very good equation in the house. And बाकी बाहर बाद में सब अपने अपने लाइफ में बिजी हो गए. सपना के बारे में क्या कहूँ मैं? सपना, I have missed her so much in the house and I am waiting कि फटाफट से कोई प्लान बने और मैं दिल्ली जाऊँ और सपना से मिलने जाऊँ. I want to meet Sapna's mom. I want to meet Sapna. So yeah, these people have been really really close to my heart.
Where is the Sher Khan mug?
Sher Khan mug टूट के जुड़ा पड़ा है मेरे घर पे. कैसे कैसे मैंने उसे जोड़ के must have seen and now it's at home. I got it back. एंड वो मेरे घर पे है, दो इट्स पैक्ड बिकॉज वो मैं अभी कहीं रख नहीं सकती हूँ, टूट जाएगा, बट इट्स पैक्ड एंड इट्स विद मी एट होम. In fact, all the small tiny things and little things from Santa Claus to reindeer, everything is with me at home.
So what are the changes in your daily routine after Bigg Boss?
As of now, nothing, but I think I have I realized I can handle things on my own. Like first, I used to be dependent on my mom on everything. Bigg Boss में एक चीज तो हो गई कि आप 3.5 महीने आपको हर एक चीज खुद आप अपने आप करनी पड़ती है. तो now I don't call my mom or anyone. Like if I need something, I'll go to the kitchen and get it for myself. पहले ऐसा होता था कि I used to call mom for everything. So वो थोड़ा सा change है. I think वो आदत भी छूट जाएगी and I'll get back to what I was 3.5 months back. बट हाँ, ये छोटे छोटे चेंजेस आई सी इन माई सेल्फ. मैं कुछ नीचे कुछ गंदा है तो आई क्लीन इट माई सेल्फ. आई एम डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऐसे ऐसे करके. या थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो गई हूँ जितनी पहले थी. आई वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पहले भी, बट और ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो गई हूँ, और ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल बना देता है आपको ये शो.
You've been titled as the taskmaster on the show. Who's your inspiration for that?
टास्क मास्टर, यस, बिग बॉस ने भी ऐसा बोला था. वेल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सबने अपना बेस्ट दिया है टास्क में, सबने अपनी अपनी तरफ से बहुत अच्छा किया टास्क में. यस, आई वॉज वेरी कम्पिटिटिव एज आई सेड एंड आई लव टू परफॉर्म इन टास्क और बी इट एनीथिंग, नॉट जस्ट टास्क. आई यूज्ड टू गिव माई 100% in any kind of participation in the house. And as far as tasks are concerned, I used to look forward कि tasks आएंगे and I have to perform well. So there's nothing as inspiration. I think I am this kind of a person, very competitive and very strong. और मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आगे कितने बॉयज हैं या क्या कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं और मैं ये कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I am somebody, I'm okay losing, but I won't give up. I'll fight it till the end. That's my nature. I will fight it till the end, but I will not give up. Losing and winning is okay. That's part of life.
And your favorite task from the season?
My favorite task from the season would be, I think, Mount BB. Mount BB task was really really nice and I really enjoyed doing it. I wish थोड़ा मुझे और थोड़ा सपोर्ट मिलता तो और ज्यादा अच्छा होता, लेकिन फिर भी जैसे मैंने किया अकेले, I gave my 100% and I survived till where I survived.
What is the first thing you did after coming out of the BB house?
The first thing I did after coming out of the BB house,
Did you check your phone?
No phone, no nothing. In fact, I was gifted iPhone 10, but you won't believe. अभी 2-3 दिन पहले I realized कि अच्छा Twitter में notification भी होता है. Oh my God, I have to check notifications also. Like I'd forgotten everything. Something I wanted to do with my phone. The iPhone 10 was new to me, but I think I had old phone only with me and मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करूँ, कैसे, how to open this and what to do. I was lost. So then I asked people, अच्छा ये कैसे करते हैं? So there was a lot of confusion, a lot of chaos. So धीरे I became normal. And as I said, the first thing I came to the house is, and I'm still doing it, this is the first activity which I'm doing, I spent time with my family, which was very important. And now I'm feeling good.
So after Bigg Boss, we can see you have lost a lot of weight. So any secrets you can share?
There's no secret. बिग बॉस के घर में खाना बहुत rationing होती है, खाना बहुत limited मिलता है, and everyone in the house used to say I eat the least. So that also can be one of the reasons. वैसे भी मैं बहुत कम खाती हूँ, so that can be one of the reasons. And plus बहुत limited खाना होता है, limited बनता है, और आपको 2 चपाती 3 चपाती ही खा सकते हैं आप, क्योंकि पूरा हफ्ता आपको वो चलाना पड़ता है. तो यस, वो भी एक रीजन था. बट एनीवेज आई ईट वेरी लेस एंड थोड़ी और कॉन्शियस हो गई अंदर जाके. आई डिड नॉट ईट जंक एंड ऑल. वैसे भी जंक वहाँ मिलता भी नहीं है, बट स्टिल कभी कभार पिज्जा या कुछ भी आ जाते थे, तो आई वॉज नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड. आई नेवर हैड प्रॉब्लम्स विद फूड इन बिग बॉस हाउस. ऑनेस्टली आई वाज कूल.
Your dressing sense was amazing throughout the show. Would you like to give some tips for college looks and party looks?
I think the credit goes to my stylists, honestly, Hemu, and I just did what I had to do. People had seen me for 8 years. People had seen me in one certain look, you know, more of Indian wear, from ghavra cholis to suits to saris. So this was an kind of opportunity for me, you know, to experiment. जो मैं खुद भी देखना चाहती थी और आप लोगों ने भी देखा, एंड टचवुड आई गॉट अ गुड पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू ऑल. एंड मुझे लगा था पता नहीं कैसे होगा, विल पीपल रियली लाइक मी इन दिस काइंड ऑफ लुक, बिकॉज यू गाइज हैव नेवर सीन मी लाइक दैट. So I'm glad, I'm thankful, and as far as tips are concerned, I am very very kacha, guys. Don't think that I know the world now. अभी भी you know I struggle कि क्या करूँ, क्या पहनूँ, क्या नहीं पहनूँ. But as I said, that's why you have people in your life, and I have Hemu as my stylist. She keeps guiding me what to do, what not to do. So that's all.
So the next question is, we saw you crying a lot. Are you like that in real life? Does Hina get emotional easily?
I am a very emotional person. I think that's how you went out when you're angry, you're sad, and I'm a person when I'm angry, I cry a lot. When I'm sad, I cry a lot. I am that kind of a person in real life as well, and that's how you went out. At least it is with me that I went out things when I cry. So yes, but at the same time, I'd like to say it is very important to vent out, and sometimes you feel like crying, you cry. I try to be as real as possible in the show, and I think that worked for me, and that's why now when I'm out, people are really really happy, and they tell me that you were so real, you were so strong. It's a great feeling. It's a nice feeling.
So the next question is, you were one of the highest voted contestant of the season, and it was as if everyone already knew you would be going to the finale. Did that add any pressure?
I have no clue about whether I was one of the highest voted contestant. आप ये लेके दिमाग में लेके नहीं चलते हो. जब आप घर के अंदर जाते हो, over there all of us are equal, and I think that is the reason I always I was not I never thought it this way, that okay, I'll be voted, so let it be, let's not do anything. I made sure that I do well in tasks. I perform, and sometimes like I used to give my 100%, and I used to be like, if I will not perform, my fans might not vote for me. My fans might get disappointed, because वो एक था कि मैं खतरों करके आई थी, and if I don't perform tasks, it would not look nice. And I think, as Salman also said, tasks are a very important part of Big Boss house. So I used to make sure कि मैं tasks में या घर के बाकी चीजों में participate करूं, so that my fans get to see the real side of me, and that's what I did. So yes, there was a pressure of performing in the house, and as far as votes are concerned, honestly, that was not in my mind at all. That is the reason I used to perform in everything I do. कभी कभी कोई बात गलत हो जाती थी, कभी कभी सही हो जाती थी. Well, that's how life is. We all are imperfect. No one is perfect.
A lot of your fans are saying please be more active on your social media and try and come live more often, and they also want to meet Ro sir.
I'll try and get him on a small mini live chat soon. उसको बहुत मनाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. So I'll try that and then we'll interact with you all. As far as coming live more often is concerned, give me a little more time, guys. जैसे आज without you all telling me, I know you all have been telling, and I got to know from people that you all want me to come live, but I planned it so that I can at least have a small interaction with you all. So that is why I am here. So give me a little more time. धीरे I'll start posting pictures. I'll start coming live for some time. So just give me a little more time.
Okay, last message for all your fans.
Well, I know you all have been waiting, and I hope I answered few of your questions and you are satisfied. I will come live again and we'll chat. Thank you so much for all your love and support.